and she's in the tub where she's supposed to belong, and he's supposed to stay out of the bathroom.
Oh, you don't want that?
So, no, what I was saying, she goes, I'm leaving this here because I'm shooting you something. I said, okay. She's having a private time.
Well, she's having a private time in the bath. She wants to be by herself. But she don't well, no. She's going to get one.
That is so loud. Can you imagine sleeping next to him? His wife is going to be.
That's my mom.
I know.
He's not going to be able to do the same room as his wife.
He's definitely not going to be able to sleep in the same room as his wife. I mean, can you imagine hearing this? That would be like laying right here. Hold on, I'm going to record what it would sound like. Honey, please be quiet.